Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the chapter 1 of Economics Development Part 6. In our previous slides, we read about the income and other important factor, and we also saw that only income is not the factor to give us information about the development of any country, but health and education status is also must for a country's development. Now we will discuss about the sustainable development in these slides. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is the development without damaging the environment and no compromise with the future generation. Sustainability of development is we will discuss about. Since the second half of the 20th century, a number of scientists have been warning that the present type and levels of development are not sustainable. Renewable resources like groundwater are replenished by nature. However, even these resources may be overused. Here, the meaning of sustainable development again. The meaning of the sustainable development, something which is short-lived but can continue in future also, means when we use any resource in a systematic way, we can use for a long time and it will not become a cause of environmental degradation. Act 2 Robert Repetto says the sustainable development is a development strategy that manages all natural resources and human resources as well as financial and physical assets for increasing long-term wealth and well-being. What are the objectives or features of sustainable development? Why we want sustainable development? Sustained rise in the real per capita income and quality of life. Yes, absolutely right. It will help us to use the resources for a long time and our quality of life will be improved. Then reduction in pollution. When pollution will be reduced, definitely life become more healthy and our life will be more peaceful. Rational use of natural resources to fulfills the requirement of future generation, and we will also fulfill our needs now at present, and in future we will also able to give the resources to our next generation. Now features of development. Sustainable development: efficient use of natural resources, no reduction of quality of life, no increase in pollution, does not limit development. Development will be continue. Now, significance of sustainable development. Again, what is the significance, importance? Rising the standard of living of the existing population. If we will use systematically all the resources, then all people will be able to achieve the benefits of these resources, so their living standard will increase. Checking any harm to the living standard of the future generation. Protecting the people against pollution of their quality of their life and health. Conserving environment, which so much necessary for sustainable development. As we know very well that day by day, because of more industrialization, we are developing more and more and becoming commercial day by day, so we are using the resources continuously and recklessly. If we will not stop, then one time will come, these resources will finish and we will have to manage them. What we will do? We will start to import these resources from other countries, and more import is always a symbol of loss for any country. Now let us see the difference between EG, ED and SD. EG here economic growth, ED here economic development, and SD here sustainable development. You can read about these three categories, what is different. Now non-renewable resources cannot be replenished as they have a fixed stock on the earth. We know very well that renewable resource we can use again and again. They are continuous. We can, for example, solar energy you can use a lot of again. Next day sun will come and give you energy. So non-renewable resources, these are limited and they take millions of years for their formation, and if they will be finished then problems will come. So if we will use these resources in a sustainable manner means in a planned way, systematic way, we will not exploit these resources badly, then we will do our all works properly now, and in future generation they will also do their works properly and they will also develop. We do discover new resources, but over time even this will get exhausted. We can discover new resources which can take place of these things, but till that time these resources will be totally exhausted. So the global challenges of tomorrow drive our work today. We shape sustainable development worldwide. So if we want to do development continuously, we must use all non-renewable resources very carefully, because we know that these are the backbone of the development. These resources are very, very important for all of us, and if we will use these resources continuously and without care, these resources will be finished one day and we will have to depend on other countries, and maybe the countries will not be able to give us these resources, then how we will manage? So if we want to use continuously these resources, we will have to do sustainable development. Thank you.